Hello out there, Dark Age Camelot community. I do have another video here today, as seems to be some still challenging on the game's mechanics and the combat physics. Today, what I will do is a comprehensive test on two-handed weapons. For the purposes of the testing, I have respect my character to maximum Celtic Spear and maximum large weaponry. I have also selected some of the champ abilities from the Stalker Trainer to show that they can use any weapon. Okay, they have their own damage tables. I have made sure to select different abilities out of the spec lines with different damage bonus levels. And we're going to take a look at damage caps versus damage being dealt from a level 1 to a level 50 with no resists and armor. Okay, and I even made sure to find some with very high damage bonuses. All right, so first I want to cover what these damage bonus levels mean. Okay, to do this, you have to test on the level 1 training dummy. Okay, now right now I have no weapon equipped. As you can see, I have respect my character to maximize her strength and dexterity, since slash and crush are based on strength. And thrust is based on dexterity and strength combined. Okay, now your weapon skill value determines your hit rate and your scaled damage range, and it does have a cap. As you can see, even though my dexterity is down 387 to 397 strength, my weapon skill is 2105. That's because the
You've got mail.
For these two statistics being combined is a combined average of 375. They're both over 375. Strength actually doesn't even have to go to 400. I only have 397 strength and my weapon skill is still 2105. It's capped, meaning all three weapons are going to hit for maximum damage. So I'm going to start out with slash. Okay, and in my previous videos, as you know, to find your damage cap, you just hit. Okay, so the damage cap on a 16.5 DPS two-hand weapon with 5.5 speed is 474. Okay, champ levels, almost all of them are very low. Maybe a couple have low damage bonuses. They typically have high and very high hit bonuses, which is really nice. So we're going to try counter assault. Very low damage bonus. Okay, now to find the damage bonus percentage, you have to take the 560 and divide it by the 474. Okay, so that equals 118%. All right, the range for melee styles that have that have very low damage bonuses are 10 to 20%. Low is 20 to 30. Medium is typically 30 to 35 or 40. High is going to be 40 to 50 with exception to two-handed weapons. Two-handed weapons, their very high damage bonuses are actually only around 45 to 50% also, which I'm about to show you. As you can see, Shatter has a very high bonus. It is the follow-up style to Frontal Assault, which has a medium bonus. Now, this is Frontal Assault. Now, let's do Shatter. 738. So with the highest damage bonus, a two-handed weapon can only hit a level 1 for 738. That is the max. That's not what you're going to hit a level 50 for. That's not what you're going to hit a level 50 with resists and armor for. So let's see what the damage bonus is. Okay, now that comes out to 155%. So very high damage bonus, 55% bonus over regular damage. Medium, 641 divided by 474. 35% bonus. All right, now, for consistency purposes, we're going to go to crush damage. $474, so it's got the same damage cap. All right, frontal assault, or counter assault. $560. Okay. Frontal assault. $641. $738. Let's try the spear. Now the spear, in order to get the very high damage bonus, the maximum damage with it, I actually have to hit the training dummy from the side because the follow-up style requires a side positional. But first we need to get the damage cap. It's a 16.5 DPS, 5.5 speed. My spec level is 50 plus 17, so it should be a little bit higher than the 474. Oh, it's capped. 474 is the maximum. Let's see what happens when I go with... And these are the very low damage bonuses. Okay, well, now let's try the side positional. Now this is Dragon Talon. $745 with a very high damage bonus. Notice I've covered all three damage types. So now we're going to go over to the level 50. We're going to see what I can hit a level 50 for. $296, $281. Fumble the attack. All right, so this is on a target with no resists and no armor. Let's see what I can hit with the highest damage that a spear will hit for. 436, 489, 429, 500, 579. Okay. So yes, it may be possible to hit for 400 to 500 with a two-handed weapon. You won't be doing it on anybody who's wearing armor and has maxed resists. So my guess is when you come across a certain cow that plays a certain class and hits for 200 damage or 600, 700, 800 damage with his two-handed weapons, /report TOS /appeal. As you can see with the combat physics being tested, you can't even hit for 600 damage on a target with no armor for 600, 700, 800 damage with a two-handed weapon. So you're not going to hit somebody in plate mail or chain armor or even reinforced or leather that hard. And you definitely ain't going to hit a heretic that hard with their self-armor factor buffs. And there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching.